In this video, I will walk you through the precise steps required to remove personal data lines from your Typeform account. Maintaining strict compliance with data privacy regulations is an essential part of managing any modern digital workspace, and it is actually quite simple to do within this platform. To begin the process, you first need to log into your dashboard and click on the specific form that contains the sensitive information you need to address. Once you have the form open, navigate your cursor to the top navigation panel and click on the Results tab. From the options that appear under this tab, go ahead and select Responses to open up your full data table. At this stage, you will see a detailed list of every submission your form has received. You should now carefully scroll through this table to locate the specific entry row that corresponds to the individual user details you are looking for. This is usually done by matching identifying information, such as an email address, a full name, or perhaps a phone number. Once you have successfully identified the correct line, move your cursor to the far left side of that specific response and check the small box located there. Selecting this box tells the system exactly which piece of data you intend to modify. As soon as you have selected the response, you will notice a menu appear at the bottom of your screen. Look for the Delete button, which is represented by a clear trash can icon. When you are absolutely certain that you have the right entry, click that icon to permanently remove the data from your records. This simple action helps you respect compliance rules and keeps your data clean. By following these quick steps, you can ensure that your organization stays up to date with any privacy requests or internal audits, while keeping your Typeform records organized and secure for everyone involved.